Well, we're trying to find...
Oh my gosh.
Parking.
It's a big Legos and a big dragon.
We're trying to find handicap parking, but Cason...
Oh my gosh. The clock is moving.
That is way cool.
I'm so excited to go here.
That dragon. So we parked underneath these awnings. They actually have solar panels on the top. So they are utilizing shade from the sun with solar panels collecting extra energy. So good job, Legoland. Not a half bad idea. Where are we, buddy?
At Legoland.
This way, let's go through the middle. Don't stomp on him. I mean, I guess you could. He's all glued together. Hey, Mom. Get one in there. This is all made out of Duplos. Double-decker carousel. I believe this was here back when this was Cypress Gardens, before it became Legoland. Hi! I cheated. Granny's apple fries. Welcome to Miniland, USA. This is an entire area with a miniature Minilander scale model, Lego models of different cities and things. Look at this.
It's colorful. I
You see the balloon?
I actually very recently worked on a refurb for this area. The New York hotel from Las Vegas. I don't see it out here, so it may not have been installed yet. It may still be at the shop. But if I run into it, I'll show you. I see. We found it. Well, we found more water. Cason, you see this big spot right here? This is where the building that Daddy worked on is going to go. Katie.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see what's in there.
It's at my shop right now. It'll be in. So this must be where it's going.
Oh yeah.
We're at the Mirage. Cason, push the button.
See? Definitely EPS.
So this is the New York cluster, and we have rainbow flags, and then there's a pride parade going on. It says make a wish. Oh look, back in the back. It's trying to go. This pride parade is really cool. Cason, come stand by the sign. Right here. Stand up next to it.
47.
Okay, let's go. The hippo over here. Oh, Cason. He's spraying at it. Ah! Silly ostrich. Okay, we're basic sandwiching today
2 hands.
at Legoland. This is for you, Casey and Jen.
2 hands, please. It's got the mayo on it. Just take bites.
Not a bad sandwich. It is theme park food though, and it's tad expensive.
1 bite. Thank you.
Turn more, big turn, big turn, big turn.
Hello.
This is gonna be a fun ride. Turn, big turn, big turn, big turn. You got it, it's going, it's going, it's going. Oh no, turn this way, turn this way. Turn this way, Peanut.
Wait, sorry.
Turn in this way, Peanut. We gotta go this way a little bit.
Hey, stop. I'm the passenger.
Okay, yeah, but you need to listen to what Daddy says, okay?
I'm in charge.
Okay, do you want to put your foot on the pedal?
No.
Oh, okay. Starting to regret getting on this ride with you. Turn in this way. Because if we get in front of them, we're gonna crash again. No, they're just gonna zag to the other side.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm trying to.
About to have a 3-boat pile up here. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh. Turn, hard turn to port. Yep, hard to port, hard to port, hard to port. Oh no!
You're making us. You are getting cheating. You guys are cheating.
We're cheating, Peanut.
No, we're not cheating. I want to get
Oh,
wet.
you want to get wet. Of course you do. All right, I guess we're getting wet then. Turn to starboard. All right. Ah! Ah! We got a tight 3-boat race here. This is a bit of a problem. Hard to starboard, Peanut. Okay, now this you could call cheating.
Yeah, I think so.
Hard to starboard.
Say anything.
Yeah! I know they're cheating us.
Okay.
He put his head in the water where he can get eaten by a shark.
Okay. I am
Okay, let it go.
I am wet. Port is left.
In no time quickly, we'll have our boat crashing along.
Did we just talk?
A little bit to starboard.
Oh, let it go, let it go!
Cason, a little bit to starboard. Guess I can.
Hello.
Whoa!
What?
Here went a bird. Okay, hard to port. Hard to port. Let's not have another collision. Okay. No, no starboard. Do not turn starboard.
Okay, then I'm doing this.
Okay, you do that. You do the pedal then. Our friends that we accidentally flipped backwards are still stuck at the dock back there. Port. To port. Turn to port.
Please remember to press down on your pedal whenever
We're about to drive by, Mommy.
See?
Did you see us in our big pile up over there?
Yeah. 2 grown adults got stuck right.
It's okay, what's that? You were gonna crash this.
Did you hear, Mommy? 2 adults got stuck. Okay, foot on the pedal. Let's see if we can bring this in nice and clean. All right, a little bit to starboard. A little bit to starboard.
Hey, nice race, buddy.
Yeah, right.
Hello, there's a boat.
Yeah, I know. I'm hoping they're gonna. No boat, no boat.
For your safety,
Frickin' I hate-
please remain seated at all times. Once again, for your safety, please remain seated.
Watch it.
That friggin' boating school ride is that's a bunch of nonsense. A lot of nonsense. It's hard to, the boat, like the reaction time when you turn the wheel is like really, really slow. And you can never really tell exactly which way you're pointed. We're in line for the Lost Kingdom treasure adventure. Cason's a little unsure, so he's watching
Guys,
the ride on YouTube. Cason, come here. Hey, so look, there's bats. There's Lego bats hanging up there. Watches the ride ahead of time so that he's not frightened.
Hurry, hurry! Get the target from the ark and get them out of this sticky web. King Master is getting ready. We must find him.
Got it. Look over there, Peanut. See if we can get all the... Cason, was that fun?
Is it over?
Yeah, I think through that door is the last one. Let's just keep shooting. Well, Cason, you didn't shoot much. All done. What'd you think?
Good.
Was it fun?
Yes.
What do you think? Are you gonna tell Mommy all about it? 28,000 and Cason got 1,000. Cason walked through a line and is riding all by himself. He's being a big boy. Right here. Alright, let's see if he gets this jester. You got him! Good job, Peanut. Okay, Cason somehow convinced me to get on a spinny ride.
Hey, excuse me. Is this... Hey, excuse me.
And she's got to get the ride on, buddy. We'll find out in just a second. Also, I got in here. Cason pulled it down before I was good and set.
It is fast.
Okay, it's not too bad. Oh no, and now it's getting bad. Oh, now it's getting bad. Now it's getting... Oh God. Hey, you're fine. You're fine. It's just spinning, that's all. Oh.
Go faster.
I think this is as fast as it's gonna go, Peanut. Oh, maybe not. Hey, just hold on to me, okay? You're fine, Peanut. You're fine. It's okay, buddy. It's almost over. It's almost over. It's almost over, buddy. It's almost over. Hey, you're fine. You are fine. You are fine. You are fine.
I am not.
You're okay. It's getting close. It's almost over. Hey, chill. It's almost over. See? All over. It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Marshall.
What was it?
Scary.
But hey, you did a very good job trying something new. So Daddy's proud of you. You did good, okay? Good Lord. Yeah, Daddy didn't care for this ride either, to be honest. Daddy didn't like it either. But you did good, buddy. You did good. Survived the spinny ride. And so now we've come to Duplo Land because Cason needs something very very easy and childish to ride to bring himself down from that one. We left with 2 giant bags of Legos. Katie currently has the larger bag. But with a 30% discount, because I didn't mention this in the video, I actually am working currently for Merlin Entertainment. So we stocked up on Christmas since I have a 30% discount on Lego products here in the theme park. I lost the word theme park for a second. Wow. This pirate's in a wheelchair.
We had a lot of fun. Okay, that's all. Bye.